Aloha, Jesse Smith, pitcher. Welcome to Maui Baseball.
Coach, manager, what's the protocol? One more time.
Manager.
Manager, okay.
It's official.
It's the official. Hey, the guys look good. You guys came off the road. The arms are strong. You started to exercise some of the arms of our other pitchers. Tell us a little bit about that. You play them a half an inning, you pull them out, but there's a reason.
Yeah, I mean, all of our stars give us 7 strong, so it's a good problem to have. Our bullpen really doesn't get the work they need. So, we got some guys in tonight that haven't pitched in a while, so it was good they came out and did their job, so it was good.
You guys are 3.5 games out of first place. I know that our Hilo guys, they lost tonight. What do we need to do to get in first place?
Keep winning.
Yeah.
It's pretty easy. Just coming out. We don't worry about that stuff, I'll say it every day. We worry about what we can control. And if we do that, we're going to be fine.
Then after this gameplay, you're off to Japan. That exchange has always been a wonderful exchange, right?
Absolutely. Like I said before, they always play us hard. They always play us well. So we're really looking forward to that trip. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Well, thanks, manager.
Always.
I like calling you coach, but you're a manager.
You call me whatever you want.
Okay.
All right?
Hey, Coach Brooks, we got one. First game in town here on Nakoi Kaika Baseball.
Aloha, I'm Anthony, and this is Nakoi Kaika Baseball. See you next time.
Ready? Here we go. One smart fellow, he felt smart.
One smart fellow, he felt smart.
Two smart fellows, they both felt smart.
Two smart fellows, they both felt smart.
Three smart fellows, they all felt smart.
Three smart fellows, they all smart.
All